Welcome to our fun yoga time. Today we'll stretch our bodies, move like animals, and feel super strong and calm. Are you ready? Let's get started. Can you do this move? Let's try it together. Stretch. You're doing great. Hold it and breathe, just like that. You look super strong. Great job. Let's go to the next pose. Let's balance, don't fall. Like a cat, soft and smooth. You're as flexible as a rubber band. Breathe in and out. Feel calm and happy. Reach up high, like you're touching the sky. Amazing! You're doing it like a pro. Big smiles while we stretch. Take a deep breath and feel the peace. Let's be still like a mountain. Now it's time for a new pose. Let's do this fun yoga move. move into our next yoga pose. This pose is so much fun. Let's do it. Let's get into this cool yoga position. Let's give this one a try. You're as flexible as a rubber band. Let's try a new stretch. Let's do this pose slowly and carefully. Great job, everyone! You were amazing today. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more fun yoga adventures. See you next time.